has almost been 1 year since we started remaking this kitchen. I will put a little bit of the before and after and the link to that video down in the description. Now that we've lived in it for almost a year, there are a few changes I want to make. I want to take the time today to go back through the kitchen and reorganize it just a little bit. As you can see, we've got some life happening over here, a little bit of life over here. It looks like my husband cleaned something out in the sink. So to mark the start of the spring cleaning season, I want to start with doing a deep refresh and clean of this kitchen. There are a few things I want to fix up. We've got a saggy door over here. And if you never caught this, those doors are upside down. So I want to change that today. Got some new IKEA things over here to organize with. And we're gonna deep clean some nasty areas that have never seen any love. If you want to clean along with me, grab your gloves and let's go. So I started over on this main part of the kitchen, just getting the dishes put away and the everyday tasks so that we can get to the deeper clean later. While I was doing this, I was keeping in mind what we use on a day-to-day basis and what I know can probably leave soon. So when I'm done with the cleaning, we can get over to the organizing and the decluttering. Besides wanting just an overall refresh for spring, one of the things that sparked my deep clean of this kitchen was a video I watched of how to stage your house for showing. And it led me to wanting to take everything off of our kitchen counter and just make it as clean and open and look like it's as big as I could. So you'll notice I took everything off of the counter, put it in the other room to clean, and then at the end I kind of decided what actually needed to be in there, what we're using, and what can stay and what can go. I recommended this many times before now, and I've seen your comments about how you are loving the Dawn Power Wash. It is still one of my very favorite cleaners to use. It smells fantastic, and it's so great about getting grease off. So I use it in the bathrooms. You see me using it here in most of the kitchen. And then this Scrub Daddy is so great. It can become harder when you use it with cold water. It's softer when you use it with warm water. It doesn't scratch, and you can throw it in the dishwasher to sanitize. So I will link my favorite supplies down in the description, but leave me a comment if there's something you're looking for, you want to link to, let me know. Or let me know some of your favorite kitchen cleaning supplies. After scrubbing everything down with the Dawn Power Wash, you can just wipe it off with a microfiber cloth like I'm doing here, but I like to go sometimes back over it with my Fabuloso mix, which is in my Windex bottle. It's not Windex, it's the Lemon Fabuloso, and I like to just kind of go back over everything with one coat, everything that I scrubbed, and just make sure all the like sudsy bubbles are gone. Today was the day of taking on things that I usually ignore. These 3 little strips that are right below the top of the oven. If I'm in a cleaning video, I don't usually get to them. I've wanted to go at them with the brush. I finally found one that I can use. So today I'm getting that dust out. It's incredibly hard to get in there and then dry it off. I am so glad that I did. Now the oven looks flawless. Here's my little encouragement today. If you have something you've been avoiding when you clean, just clean that one thing today. You don't have to clean the entire room. Just clean that one little area and you'll feel a little bit better. Looks brand new. It has never been that shiny clean. I'm so glad I was able to get all that grease out of there. Everything is sparkly clean. Look at that. I think the last step for focusing on this side of the kitchen is just doing a quick little spray and scrub of the cabinets. You can see some stuff dripped down here. Then I should be able to get to organizing. Why I was avoiding that for so long. That was stupid hard. Does it look normal in here now? Better? I'm gonna show you how gross the top of the fridge and my elbows are now from leaning on it. Drop a comment and let me know, have you ever cleaned the top of your fridge? I personally think this is the first time I've ever cleaned the top of anyone's fridge, even my own. I just think that's an area that people forget about. The last time we were even up here is when we were painting these cabinets. Also, to update you guys on the paint itself on the cabinets, that's a question I get a lot, how they are holding up. And as you can see, the cabinets are holding up fantastic. The only little scuff I think we have is on the door right next to the oven, because every time you open the oven, it bumps it. But the paint that we used was an enamel, so it hardened really well. And I haven't seen any other kinds of issues in them. Time for the decluttering portion of the video, guys. You don't know how bad I want to get rid of so many things in this kitchen. I just really enjoy having 1 or 2 items that we use and take care of instead of multiples of things. So if it were up to me, I would go through all of our cups and really narrow it down. That's the one thing I didn't get to in this video. I'm hoping to cut back even more in the future. So changing up and styling these shelves has been my favorite part of this kitchen. Recently, I have been using a lot of the baking stuff, and we have it all in one big container in the pantry, which got really heavy. So I picked up these containers from IKEA, and I decided that I want to make these shelves kind of dedicated to a baking zone, so I can pull from them here instead of having them all in one big bin. I also like the way that they look. I went through and got rid of all the expired things and sorted them into these containers that I'll be labeling later. filled up my jars over there. Last thing I really want to do is to clean this floor in here. You guys can't really tell, but it is muddy. There you go. Been cleaning all day. It's time to tackle the dreaded Tupperware cabinet. We all have one. Yeah, you do. Don't be lying to me. Let's see if we have any matches. We got our keep pile and our needs to get out of here pile. Much better. And that'll last maybe a week. Here's our little kitchen at night. I'm about to tackle inside of the dishwasher. I've seen so many people doing this on TikTok. I'm gonna get back in there. I'm gonna take my Dollar Scrubby brush. It's actually really hard. Time to bust out my Cricut again. I will leave a link for it down below. This is my favorite way to make personalized labels. I've seen a lot of labels before, but never in the font that I want. So I use this black vinyl to make mine. Few things better than having a sparkly clean and freshly organized kitchen. It makes every morning so much more peaceful. So I'm really happy that I took the time to do this little spring refresh, and hopefully it was a little bit motivating for you guys too. I want to show you some of the spots that I organized and what they look like now. I wanted to get the utensils off the counter, so I had to really scale back. All of them are here in this drawer. And I found this cutting board organizer over at Aldi. I actually don't know if that's what it is, but that's what I'm using it for. So we've got our pans lined up and our cutting boards. This little corner is still a drink station. We've got cookbooks, mixing bowls, and extra sauces down below, and coffee and sugar up on this little shelf. One of my favorite views is just from the dining room looking into the bright kitchen. On a Sunday morning. That's what this morning was. If you can't tell, I am so happy to be out of the winter blues gray sky. So here is to a fresh, bright new spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you could like this video, it helps my channel out so much. And of course, leave a comment and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Update on the bedroom video. I have my last thing coming in this week, so it should be up in the next week or so. Thank you guys again. I love you so much. And as always, happy cleaning.